Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off the brand new redesigned 2020 Kia Soul GT Line Premium in Onyx. Starting at the front here, this model comes equipped with automatic LED headlights, LED positioning lights, and LED fog lights, along with a stylish front grille. Moving on, we have 18-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes red accents along the bumpers and sides, as well as a heated front windshield, power heated side view mirrors with signal repeaters, and remote keyless entry. Some of the safety features with this model include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert and avoidance assist. And moving on toward the rear, we have privacy tint glass, LED tail lights, and a spacious cargo area with a dual-level cargo floor. Heading inside, this model comes with 60/40 folding combination cloth and artificial leather seating, as well as a sunroof. And the rear seats here also come with a fold-out center armrest with cup holders. Moving toward the front now, we have power windows and locks, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, mounted with both audio and cruise controls. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, both USB and auxiliary input ports, and dual-zone automatic climate control. This model also features a Rearview Camera on a 10.25-inch multimedia interface with built-in navigation, as well as Drive Mode Select, a wireless cell phone charger, and UVO Intelligence Telematics. Heading under the hood now, we have a 2-liter MPI 4-cylinder engine with an automatic intelligent variable transmission. For any more questions, you can contact us here.